Hello, in this video we are going to learn displaying scatter plot with regression line. Scatter plot means to know the relation between the two columns we have to draw scatter plot, means what kind of relationship they had, whether it has positive relationship or negative relationship. Regression line, here regression is nothing but a relationship. If you want to draw scatter plot with regression, it look like this. Just observe. These data points are called scatter plot and the line is a regression line. Okay, regression line draw based on the scatter plot regression line. Okay, so with a simple example we will draw the scatter plot with regression line. So write a Python program to display LM plot by taking horsepower on x-axis, acceleration on y-axis. Here LM plot means if you want to draw scatter plot with regression, we have to use this function LM plot. So to use this function we have to import two libraries, matplot library, SeaBorn library. So SeaBorn library. Okay, first we have import the SeaBorn library. If you want, you can import this library also, matplot library. Just 3 steps we can draw this scatter plot with regression line. First step, just import the libraries. Second step, just load the data set here. Okay, SeaBorn has this MPG data set. With the help of load underscore data set function, just import this data set into your program. Okay, it has horsepower and acceleration columns. Observe, execute it. Right, acceleration, horsepower. So we will draw scatter plot taking these two columns. Okay, to know what kind of relationship they had. So to draw scatter plot with regression line, we have to use scatter plot LM plot function. SeaBorn has that LM plot function, and which data we are using, MPG data set. Which data frame? MPG. Here MPG data frame here. Okay, and x-axis take the horsepower. Okay, and y-axis takes the acceleration. Okay, simple. We have to pass these parameters. Acceleration. That's it. Simple. Load the libraries and load the data set and just draw the scatter plot with regression to compare these two columns. Okay, horsepower and acceleration. Just check what kind of relationship they had. Execute it. And see, observe here. Okay, x-axis horsepower and y-axis acceleration. It has negative relationship because when horsepower is increases, acceleration decreases. Okay, when acceleration is increasing, horsepower is decreasing. So it is a negative relationship here. Okay, it has negative relationship here. So the regression line also it coming down here. Okay, observe here, coming down. So if you want to change the labels, instead of horsepower, HP or acceleration, use x label function and y label function. Simple like this. Instead of horsepower here, use HP here, simple. And acceleration you can do any, if you want to change the label names. Okay, if you want to change the label names, say observe here, HP. So like that. And also if you want to know, these data points has different country of origin. If you look into this data set, origin has USA, 3 different countries are there, USA, Japan and Europe. So if you want to know, if you want to draw regression line for 3 different countries, just here use hue equal to origin, simple, to know the regression line for the 3 different countries. Origin, simple in the LM function, just execute it. See, observe here. Here USA is a blue color data points. It has negative relationship. Japan also has negative relationship, and Europe also has negative relationship, green color. Okay, regression line based on the scatter plot, regression line draw based on the scatter plot here. Okay, it has negative relationship. Okay, all the country origins have negative relationship here. It is coming down here. Okay, when one x-axis increases, y-axis decreases, vice versa, it has a negative relationship here. Okay, but when x-axis increases, y-axis increases, it's a positive relationship here. But this data set has negative relationship here. This data set is about the cars and their mileage in the model origin. Okay, this is a data set. MPG data set consists of different cars, has almost around 398 rows, 398 different kind of cars, different kind of horsepower, weight, cylinder, origin. Okay, so we have to find out what kind of relation between horsepower and acceleration based on the data set. If you want to draw scatter plot with regression line, you have to use LM plot function. Remember that. Okay, so that's about the LM plot. And if you are in next video we'll see the creating subplots. Okay.